Good morning, Yellow 4. It's Thursday, December 3rd. December is here. So let's get started with our circle time for our remote learning here at Valeska Hinton at Yellow 4 Dual Language Classroom. Perfect. So what about we start with our song of the days of the week? Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, and then Saturday. Perfect! Today is Thursday! Thursday, December 3rd, and we are going to count first, second, third, fourth, and fifth today, but that's coming later. So also, we're still in fall season, although it's getting chilly every day. We need to wear our jackets. If it is too cold, maybe we should wear our hats too if we go outside. But just take care of yourselves, friends, okay? Make sure you're safe and sound, but enjoy your days at home with your family. And you know that the letter of the week is the letter O. O is for octopus and ornament and oval. Like that, oval. Perfect. And also remember that if you don't know what to do at home because you're used to going to school, just remember the things that you can do. Okay, I'm going to open all of them up again. This is not mandatory by any means. It's just ideas of how your day can go if you need any ideas. If you have already a routine with your family, that is completely fine. Just follow whatever fits your schedule and your family's schedule, okay? Oops, revealing some Spanish in here. All right, so you can start your day by doing some journal time like we used to do at Valeska. Please make sure you eat your breakfast and also circle time with Miss Culverson from Monday to Friday, okay? Then you can either work on your remote learning activity or have some free time to play. Play is the best way for learning. Then if the weather is good, then bundle up and go have fun outside. Maybe go for a walk with your family. But if it is too chilly and there is no way you can go out, you can just watch some exercises videos like we used to do, right? Perfect. Also, you can read a story with your family, and this is something I would recommend. Even if it is just before bedtime, just spend at least we recommend 25, 30 minutes, but any time reading is precious. So if you feel stressed, if the activity is too much, if the circle time is too boring, I hope it's not. Just grab a book with mom and dad and open a book and read a book together, and it will be perfectly fine. Okay? Then please, please, please have lunch, and finally take some time for quiet time or rest time if you need a nap. But in any way, just take some time to breathe and rest and have your body calm for a little bit, okay? And end the day in a good note with your family and friends. And once you're done all this, check. Don't forget to sing our songs. Are you ready for the song hola or hello in English? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Awesome, friends. Remember that it is great if you're feeling awesome, but we're all allowed to have difficult days and days that we don't feel so good. And in those days, it's okay to feel that way. Just always know that we love you and we care for you, okay? Perfect. How's the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How is the weather today? How is the weather today? Is it cold? Somebody texted me yesterday and said it's cold. I thought it was Amaya. Amaya went outside and checked it out and she's like, it's too cold. It is too cold in the morning. It gets a little warm in the afternoon. So how's the weather today? But my question for the day today is, what is your favorite tradition during the holidays? What is the thing about the holidays that you love the most? All right. Remember to text me. I am here waiting for you to connect with me. I love you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And Christmas is coming. Happy holidays. Bye.